just packed up my stuff because in 30 minutes I'm gonna go to the airport to pick up some people. Actually 5 people. Really excited! So I have rented a van because we are 6 people totally. The van picked me up at my place and now I'm gonna go and meet them. So here they come, I can see them. I'm gonna hide here. There they are. Okay, so I think I forgot to tell you where we're actually going. We are going from Pamuayan to Bort, and we just find out that our hotel is on an island. We didn't know that before. We just thought we're gonna take the bus and like go to the hotel, but now we have to take a boat over to our hotel as well. So yeah, we just make a stop here to get some food. Right now we are arrived at our hotel. We're just getting off the boat and everybody's getting so wet. So here is our room. We booked half of the hotel because it's only 6 rooms here and we booked 3 of them. So yeah, we're gonna stay here for 2 nights and then we haven't booked to decide where to go. So we will see. So good night and see you in the daylight. Good morning! So my family dragged me up 7:40. No, I'm just kidding. No, but it was waking up earlier than me. So now we just went here to the restaurant and gonna eat some breakfast. So after chilling on the beach for some hours, we order in some different food we're gonna share. Chicken, meat and fish and spring roll. And something, I don't know. Hello! So after just relaxing the whole day on the beach, we are on our way to see if we can find a waterfall. We heard that there should be a waterfall here, but we really don't know the way. So we will see if we find it or not, otherwise it's a nice walk. Look at those small pigs. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so we have a local who's showing us the way now. That's good because we would never find this ourselves. So before you go to the waterfall, you have to sign here, and if you want, you can give a donation. I'm always filming, I don't look where I go, so I'm always falling all the time. Let's jump in and see if the water is cold. Yeah, it's cold. Cold? Touching my talent back. We're back! This was a really awesome and chill day, and if it's good tomorrow, we're gonna do a boat tour, so hopefully the weather... Yeah. But for now, good night!